Nag-aalala talaga siya dun sa friend niya pa.
Ba't di na gumagalaw yung friend ko dyan, Papa? Is it dead already?
Nagagalaw yung friend ko, Papang! Papang! Help her! Papang!
This is my sit animation.
This is the 8 animation again.